Hello, friends. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome once again to Seagull International's weekly live session, where we discuss exciting upcoming recruitment opportunities and overseas placement. I am Jyoti Das Thakkar, Senior Operation Manager at Seagull International, and I am thrilled to be joined today by Mr. Lalit Moria, our General Manager, Mr. Nishant Dadyal, Assistant Manager, who will be guide you through today's session. But before we dive into today's opportunity, let's take a moment to revisit Seagull's incredible success stories. For the past 39 years, Seagull has been a trusted name in overseas recruitment industries. In less than 4 decades, we have grown into one of the largest and most reliable workforce provider. Seagull is an ISO certified global human resource consultant approved by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. While our headquarters is based in Mumbai, we also have branches across India in Kochi, New Delhi, Baroda, Chennai, Vizag, and Kolkata. On the global front, our offices are located in Nepal, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, Sweden, UK, and Lithuania. Now, I would like to introduce to our new social media platform. We have expanded our online presence to make it easier for you to stay connected with us. Now you can find us on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, where we can stay connected with us. You can now find us on Facebook, Telegram, where we share updates on overseas job opportunity, recruitment drives, and interview related all the informations. And our Seagull staffing page, where we share updates on domestic job opportunity. So you can use your phone to scan the QR code, display on the screen to join our online community. We will hold the screen for a few seconds to make sure that you scan it now. Facebook scan, you can do it. This is our Telegram page. Please scan the code. This is our Instagram page. Same, the QR code is mentioned. You can scan this. This is our Seagull staffing group. This is a domestic platform where we just discuss all the domestic platform requirements. You can get the update on this. Okay, so now let's begin by showcasing our first requirement on the screen. Okay, so the first requirement is for Saudi Arabia. This is a free requirement. Okay, so shortlisting in process. Okay, all the candidates who have experience in oil and gas can apply for this project. The positions are mentioned on the screen. Okay, we will appreciate if the candidate who have Aramco experience are preferred for this job, but candidate who have shutdown experience with oil and gas experience can also apply. Okay, so the next one is for the UAE International Project. Okay, this is an oil and gas project. As usual, this is also a free requirement. Candidates who having a painting supervisor experience with degree and diploma engineering with minimum 8 years of experience in oil and gas can apply for these positions. The email ID is mentioned. You can apply the your profiles. Okay, so we also have a requirement for Malaysia. Okay, this will be for refactory inspections, project engineer. Company is offering free food and accommodation, and this will be a free requirement. So you can share your profiles on the email address. Candidate with thermal inspections, painting and scaffolder designs. These kind of candidates we needed for Malaysia. Okay. So the next requirement is for Qatar. Okay, so we need candidates for an oil and gas company. We need finance manager. The instruction, the qualification we needed are CA or equivalent qualification with 15 years of experience. Okay, and with the construction sector in oil and gas. Um, and if you have a GCC driving license, because it's a senior position, so you can apply for these positions. Candidate will get attractive salary and other benefit. Once you get selected, we will update you. So once again, this is also a free requirement. Okay, so another one is for Qatar. This is again a free requirement for a shutdown project. This will be an interview campaign, um, plasma cutting technicians, okay, with the Qatar card and the free food accommodation and transportations. Candidates will get salary. Like the salary details, we will confirm you at the time of interview, and immediate medical, which is free. And once you join there, the medical expenses will be reimbursed to you. Okay, so let's move to the next slides. So we are looking for a site engineer, mechanical or civil background. So this will be a contracting company in Dubai. Again, it is a free requirement. Candidate with mechanical or civil engineering background with 2 3 years of experience in oil and gas can apply for this. Okay, so they need a specific certified, which is preferable. Candidate these days, the client preferred if they have UAE license, so that it helps them to get the visa easily. So salary is attractive. Other benefits, we generally request the candidates once they apply, then our team will be coordinating to you in terms of getting the salary and other benefits. Okay, so the next one is for an hospitality requirement for Oman. This is an client interview in coaching. So candidates with these kind of experience into HVAC, duct fabrications can apply for this job in Kochi. We have mentioned the email address. You can directly approach to Kochi branch. 19th is the interview, so please do it faster. Salary and everything is like everything is mentioned on the screen. You can approach directly to the Kochi branch. We have started the shortlisting already, so hurry up. This is the same requirement for Oman. So 21st September, we are doing an interview in Mumbai for the HVAC duct fabricators, same position which we are doing in Kochi. Candidate with these kind of positions, they can apply directly to our head office, and the all the details related to this requirement. You can come visit our office or approach us online. We will get back to you with the details. Candidate with the maintenance experience will be preferred for this project. Okay, so the next slide is for the Saudi Arabia's EPC contracting company. Okay, so this is a long-term project, free requirement. Client interview date we will confirm you, but this is a confirmed project. If you are PMO manager, project control manager, planning engineer, anything related to the position which is mentioned on the screen, with the EPC project, so that you should have related to the experience. You just apply for it. You can visit our office, and based on that, we will confirm you the interview dates and everything. So, an international company for the UAE, they need oil and gas or offshore project. This is again a free requirement. Instrument fitter we need in 25 numbers, but we will approach candidates directly. You come and visit us. If you have ITI certificates, 5 years of experience in construction in the same field for an offshore job, this will be a great opportunity for you. Salary, free food, accommodation is mentioned. Walk-in interview has been started. Okay, so you can just apply your profile in the office, and we will confirm you the interview date. Same time. Okay, so you all know this NBTC Abu Dhabi. We have huge requirement for this. One of some of the positions which is mentioned on the screen, we need lead HSC engineer, HSC engineers, HSC officer, environmental officers, road safety officer. The engineer should have degree or diploma with NEBOSH. Candidates having a GCC experience in oil and gas will be preferred for this project. This is basically an ad hoc project. Salary is good. Okay, we will confirm with the salary once you get shortlisted, and will be an online interview, so you can apply online. Based on that, our team will get back to you on this. Okay, so an international contracting company from Saudi. This will be a long-term project. Interview date is not decided, but these are the positions we have started working on it. Candidates with oil and gas plant experience is preferred for this project. Candidate with GCC experience, and if you have worked in Aramco, that will really preferable for this project. Salary same, it is good, okay, as per the market standards. And other benefits, everything we will discuss you once you apply shortlisted. We will get back to you on this detail. This will be a long term project, and you can apply for this position if everything matches with the your experience. Okay, so this is an requirement for a Kuwait. Okay, this is again a free requirement. The numbers are large. That's the reason we have, along with the position, we have not mentioned on the numbers. So we need all these positions. Okay, the interview is in 28th September in Kochi. Salary and food and accommodations, everything is free mentioned on the screen. If you are related to this position, you can apply candidates directly in the Kochi office. They have started the process. Don't wait for the end. The faster you get, the shortlisting will be done prior only. So that's the reason we appreciate it. The moment you see the requirement, just apply it. We start the process, and at the time of interview, you get the first preference. Okay, so we also need positions for HSC training for Abu Dhabi. Okay, this will be a free recruitment, and interview will be in Kochi on 21st of September. The positions are mentioned on the screen. It is HSC trainer, HSC officers, QAQC leaders, and rest all the position is mentioned. Candidates with GCC experience with a thermal project can apply for this position. An international company for Abu Dhabi with heavy equipment and plant division. They need senior engineer, supervisors, foremen, storekeepers, and operators with the UAE license. If you have any of these positions, you can apply for this. The dates are not decided, but basically you can apply for this position, and based on the profiles, we will update you about the interview dates. So technically position, they should have diploma and BAE automobiles with around 5 to 10 years of experience in heavy construction. We can consider them. Free of food and accommodation in this, along with the salary. So you can apply for these positions. Okay, so my the slides which is on me, I have already read this. So next, Mr. Lalit Moria, our GM, he will go through some additional slides and requirement which we have. Over to you.
Thank you, Ms. Jyoti. Namaste, dosto. Good afternoon. This is Lalit here. Welcome to our this live session. And this week also we have many requirements, many interviews confirmed, and we will go one by one. And I'll read all the requirements. If you have any concern, any query, please raise your concern. I will try to give you maximum reply. So I'll start with my first slide. दोस्तों ये रिक्वायरमेंट है कतर की, लॉन्ग टर्म की प्रोजेक्ट है। इसके क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू 14 तारीख को अनुपटेक में होंगे, यानी कि कल इसके इंटरव्यू है। इसमें हमें भारी मात्रा में जीआरपी लेमिनेटर, जीआरपी पाइप फिटर, नॉर्मल पाइप फैब्रिकेटर, नॉर्मल पाइप फिटर ऑल्सो, मैकेनिकल फॉरमेंस की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है। और ये एक अच्छी कंपनी है, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए देख रही हैं। इसमें जो भी कैंडिडेट सेलेक्ट होंगे उनको केवीसी करना है और नॉर्मल मेडिकल करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। ऑन द स्पॉट आपको ऑफर मिलेगा और इसकी जो सैलरी स्केल भी है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छी है। कंपनी आपको फ्री फूड, अकोमोडेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट सारी प्रोवाइड करेंगे। और इसके जो इंटरव्यूज़ हैं कल होंगे अनुपटेक में। आप डायरेक्टली वेन्यू में आ सकते हैं इंटरव्यू के लिए। और कैंडिडेट्स को एटलीस्ट 3 से 4 साल का गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए। सेलेक्ट होने के बाद मैक्सिमम इसकी जो मोबिलाइजेशन है, मैक्सिमम 2 to 3 वीक्स होंगे। Friends, we have another requirement for Qatar, and is one of the leading oil and gas company, and they need this people for cell shutdown, and they need a mechanical technician, senior technician, condition monitoring technician, pipe fitter, fabricators, welders, forklift operator, electrical technicians. And this all requirement will be based on virtual selection. Means there will be no face-to-face interview. We will select the candidate virtually. If any candidates having oil and gas experience and interested for shutdown, please send their CV on given email ID, or they can visit our Bombay office, any of our branch offices, submit your profile. This will be a very good opportunity. Total free recruitment. Company offer you good salary with all the benefits, and mobilization also immediate basis. No need to do any QVC. Only normal medical you have to do, and maximum 2 weeks it will take for the mobilization. So you can forward your resume. Our team will review your profile. If we find suitable, we will call you for this virtual round of interview. दोस्तों एक दुबई की कंपनी है, इसके क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू बॉम्बे में 24 तारीख को होने वाले हैं। ये इंटरव्यू हमने अनुपटेक में रखा हुआ है 4 to 1 में। और इसमें हमें लार्ज नंबर में स्ट्रक्चरल फैब्रिकेटर, स्टील इरेक्टर, रिगर्स और स्काफ होल्डर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। ये फ्री रिक्रूटमेंट होगी। इसके अंदर जो भी कैंडिडेट चाहिए उन्हें इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस या तो गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस दोनों कंसिडर होंगे। स्ट्रक्चर फैब्रिकेटर्स को मिनिमम जो क्राइटेरिया है उन्हें जीआई ड्राइंग पढ़ने आना चाहिए। एंड वी आर रेडी टू टेक इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट ऑल्सो। और जो इसकी जो सैलरी है वो काफ़ी अच्छी है। कब सैलरी के साथ साथ आपको कंपनी फ्री फूड प्रोवाइड करेंगे, रहना खाना ट्रांसपोर्ट सारा देगा। ओवर टाइम डेली है इस कंपनी में। और इसमें अप्लाई करने के लिए आप हमारे ऑफिस में पर्सनली विजिट कर सकते हैं, या तो आपका सीवी हमें व्हाट्सएप पे या ईमेल पे दे सकते हैं। हम आपका सीवी को स्टोर करके रखेंगे और प्रायर टू इंटरव्यू हम आपको इंटरव्यू कॉल लेटर देंगे 24 तारीख को अनुपटेक में आने के लिए। अगर आप एडवांस में सीवी नहीं दे सकते हैं, डायरेक्टली इंटरव्यू वेन्यू पे भी आना चाहते हैं, तो मोस्ट वेलकम। वर्किंग कैंडिडेट्स अलाउड है इस कंपनी में। और ये फ्री रिक्रूटमेंट है। मोबिलाइजेशन की बात करें तो ये इमीडिएट बेसिस पे होगी। आपका सिलेक्शन होने के बाद आपको एक गम का मेडिकल करना है या तो प्री नॉर्मल मेडिकल करना है, जो भी कंपनी कहेंगे वो मेडिकल करके पासपोर्ट कॉपी फोटो सबमिट करना है। और मैक्सिमम 1 week to 10 days में इसके मोबिलाइजेशन हो जाएंगे। सारे कैंडिडेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीजा पे ही मोबिलाइज होंगे, कोई बायोमेट्रिक की जरूरत नहीं है। ऑन अराइवल वीजा आपको मिलेंगे। सेम इंटरव्यू दोस्तों हम इसके वाइजैक में करवा रहे हैं। 20 तारीख को इसकी इंटरव्यू है विशाखापट्टनम में। और अगर कोई कैंडिडेट बॉम्बे इंटरव्यू अटेंड नहीं कर सकता है और पहला इंटरव्यू अटेंड करना चाहता है, तो 20 सितंबर को हमारे वाइजैक ऑफिस में कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू दे सकते हैं। सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज सेम है। क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू होंगे, फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू होंगे, ट्रेड टेस्ट होंगे। इसमें ट्रेड टेस्ट का कोई पैसा नहीं देना है और ये फ्री रिक्रूटमेंट है। और बाकी डिटेल्स मैंने पहले ही आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है। ये एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीज़ा मिलेगा आपको, और आपको जो ट्रैवल करना है वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीज़ा पे ही करना है। ईसीआर, ईसीआर दोनों पासपोर्ट इसमें चलेंगे। दोस्तों हमारे 20 तारीख के इंटरव्यू के बाद वैजाग में एक और इंटरव्यू हमने शेड्यूल किया है, वो भी पाइप फिटर, पाइप फैब्रिकेटर, प्लेट फैब्रिकेटर, स्ट्रक्चर फैब्रिकेटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है। इससे पहले जो कंपनी की रिक्वायरमेंट थी जिसके इंटरव्यू 20 तारीख को होने वाली थी, वो स्ट्रक्चर स्टील मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है। स्पेशली वहाँ पे बिल्डिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स या बड़े बड़े स्ट्रक्चर्स बनते हैं। बट ये जो इंटरव्यू होने वाली है अभी आफ्टर 20th सितंबर के बाद, ये एक शिप बिल्डिंग शिप मेंटेनेंस प्रोजेक्ट होगा। और इसमें जो भी कैंडिडेट्स हैं उसमें शिप से रिलेटेड अगर एक्सपीरियंस है तो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी दिए जाएंगे, प्लस ऑयल एंड गैस एक्सपीरियंस, अदर एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। प्लेट फैब्रिकेटर, स्टील इंडस्ट्री, मरीन इंडस्ट्री के रहेंगे तो ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा। और पाइप फैब्रिकेटर, पाइप फिटर्स, ऑयल एंड गैस एक्सपीरियंस, पीआरटी एक्सपीरियंस विल बी डू। स्ट्रक्चर फैब्रिकेटर्स भी कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस चलेंगे, अगर किसी को इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस है तो भी चलेंगे, लेकिन ड्राइंग जीआई ड्राइंग पढ़ने आना चाहिए। और ये एक अच्छी रिक्वायरमेंट है। इसमें भी कंपनी काफ़ी अच्छी सैलरी आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। फ्री फूड, ट्रांसपोर्ट, अकोमोडेशन, ओवर टाइम, बोनस, ग्रेजुटी, सारी ये कंपनी आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। और ये सिंगापुर बेस्ड कंपनी है। तो इसके अंदर जो भी कैंडिडेट ज्वाइन करता है उसका कम से कम 10 से 15 साल का एम्प्लॉयमेंट कंफर्म होता है, क्योंकि ये कंपनी में लोग छोड़ के नहीं जाते हैं। तो अगर किसी कैंडिडेट को इंटरेस्टेड है वो हमारे वाइजैक ऑफिस में कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। इसमें भी है जो कैंडिडेट्स जाएंगे और एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीजा पे जाएंगे, कोई बायोमेट्रिक करने की जरूरत नहीं है। उसके बाद दोस्तों हमारे पास एक सऊदी के इंटरव्यूज हैं, जिसके इंटरव्यू हमने फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अक्टूबर में रखा हुआ है। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इसके जो क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू है 6 अक्टूबर को बॉम्बे में होंगे और 5 अक्टूबर को कोलकाता में होंगे। इसमें हमें पाइप वेल्डर चाहिए जो मल्टी मेटल पे वेल्डिंग कर सके 6G डायरेक्शन में, और पाइप फैब्रिकेटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है। और सैलरी की बात करूँ तो टीके नाग वेल्डर की जो सैलरी है पाइप पे CS का या मल्टी मेटल के, वो 2500 से 3000 रियाल है। और पाइप फैब्रिकेटर की जो सैलरी है 2000 से 2600 रियाल है। ये 8 घंटे की सैलरी है। इसके ऊपर आपको फ्री फूड मिलेंगे, ट्रांसपोर्ट अकोमोडेशन कंपनी देगी, और इसकी जो मोबिलाइजेशन है वो भी इमीडिएट होगी। मैक्सिमम 2 to 3 वीक्स लेंगे इसके मोबिलाइजेशन के लिए, क्योंकि हमारे पास वकाला रेडी अवेलेबल है। और एक सऊदी की एक बहुत अच्छी फेमस कंपनी है जो मैक्सिमम गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट ही करती है, जैसे कि आरामको हो गया या तो सैबिक हो गया, हदीद स्टील प्लांट हो गया। तो इसमें हमने काफ़ी कैंडिडेट्स मोबिलाइज भी किए हैं, जीरो कंप्लेन है। और तो अगर किसी कैंडिडेट को इंटरेस्ट है प्लीज़ हमारे बॉम्बे ऑफिस में आके मिलिए। इसके इंटरव्यू बॉम्बे और कोलकाता में हमने शेड्यूल किए हैं। दोस्तों ये इंटरव्यू है, कतर के इंटरव्यू है जिसके इंटरव्यू कल होंगे, ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको डिस्कस करके बता दिया है। और एक 13 तारीख यानी आज एक अनुपटेक में इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट है, चल रही हैं। अगर कोई कैंडिडेट अभी भी इंटरेस्टेड है वो डायरेक्टली अनुपटेक में जाके इसके इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं। क्लाइंट फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं आप अनुपटेक में आज। ओके सादिक, आपका क्वेरी है ड्राइवर वैकेंसी कतर यूए लाइसेंस। सादिक यस, हमारे पास कतर यूए लाइसेंस की वैकेंसीज है। अगर आप आ सकते हैं हमारे ऑफिस में, आप आपके आपका सीवी सबमिट करिए, जिससे हम आपको सीवी सिलेक्शन के बेस पे सेलेक्ट कर सके और आगे प्रोसेस कर सके। सरजीत, बॉल टॉर्किंग की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है हमारे पास, काफ़ी शट डाउन इंटरव्यूज हो रही हैं बॉल टॉर्किंग की। इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज सबमिट योर सीवी, और इफ पॉसिबल यू मे विजिट आवर कोचिंग ऑफिस एंड सबमिट योर सीवी इन आवर कोचिंग ऑफिस। आवर टीम विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू। Harshal Bhaviskar, yes, we have opening for instrumentation engineer. Please forward your resume. We will go through your profile and we'll call you whenever there will be interview. As we have requirement for safety officer shutdown project, but you should have EBOS certificate plus 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience. If you have such experience, please forward your resume. जलील मुजावर, आपके जो कतर के लाइसेंस है, आपका सीवी और लाइसेंस का कॉपी या तो आप हमें ईमेल कर दीजिए या तो पर्सनली हमारे ऑफिस में आके देके जाइए। जब भी इसके रिक्वायरमेंट होंगे इमीडिएटली आपको हमारे ऑफिस से कॉल आ जाएंगे। So, Waghela Nissan, you have QMS experience of 13 years. Waghela, I'll request please forward your resume. Let our consultant, our team go through your profile. If we found suitable, definitely our team will revert you. सर्वर इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नीशियंस के आज इंटरव्यू चल रहे हैं अनुपटेक में, लेकिन अगर आप आज का इंटरव्यू अटेंड नहीं कर सके तो कोई बात नहीं, हमारे पास काफ़ी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नीशियन के। आप हमारे सारे आर्टवर्क को इसी तरह फॉलो करिए और जब भी कहीं क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू होगा आप पर्सनली आके इंटरव्यू दे के जाइए। Mr. Sirajuddin, you're looking for HSC officer job vacancy in UAE. Sirajuddin, as of now, we don't have any requirement for UAE as a HSC, but yes, we have requirement for Qatar. If you are interested, please forward your resume. Our team will review your profile, and if we found suitable, definitely we will call you for the interview. Mohammad Shehbaz Arif, with a total 16 years of experience in HR management, administration, training, recruitment, both India and Gulf. Mr. Arif, last week we supposed to looking for some similar profile, but we got the right candidates. I would request you continuously refer our all the advertisement on LinkedIn or other social media platform, and please apply immediately so that our team will immediately contact you. Because this for this such category we are getting plenty of CVs, so it's very difficult. But anyway, let forward your resume. We'll keep your CV in data bank. If anything is there, we'll call you.
Thank you, Lalit sir.
Okay, viewers. Thank you, Jyoti. Well, I'll see you next week. Take care, all of you. Thank you.
So, friends, I will call Mr. Nishant Dadyal. He is taking care of Seagull staffing with all the domestic recruitment. So, he will go through all the requirement we have right now.
Okay, so hello viewers. So good afternoon, Jyoti ma'am. Thank you for the introduction. So quickly, I will go through the domestic requirements which are coming up this week. So I would just request these all positions are very urgent. So we require like if anyone can visit the office also, definitely it will do. So we are looking out for first requirement is for the leading port and construction company electrical technician, and we are looking out for HVAC technician for Hyderabad and Noida. So experience required is minimum 7 years, and the type of sector which we require is from construction or engineering, any ITI or diploma. ITI and diploma is very compulsory. So anyone who is interested, kindly apply on the Seagull construction gmail.com or on the mentioned mobile number. Okay, so viewers, this is the next requirement which has come up for the one of the biggest group which is looking out for project planning engineer. So here we require the project planning engineer like the person who is into the planning and scheduling, development detail schedule, Primavera 6 experience is mandatory. Like if the person has knowledge in dredging is mandatory, and the location would be Worli, Mumbai, and the type of sector which we are looking out from is marine and port. So the qualification required is bachelor's degree in civil engineering, marine engineering and construction. Okay, so people can apply on the given mobile number which is mentioned or on the email ID which is mentioned. So viewers, this is the next requirement which has come up. It is for the leading company, again for the planning engineer role. This is for the junior. It is same like Primavera is required, dredging experience is required, and this would be not a team handling role, it would be a junior role. Okay, so this is again for the Worli location, Worli, Mumbai, and type of sector is marine, real estate, port. Qualification required is graduate. So any person who wants to apply can apply on the given mobile number or on the mentioned email ID. Okay, so viewers, this is the again one of the leading company is looking after for marine equipment executive. So this requires like assist in sourcing and purchasing marine equipment, and square parts are required, like monitoring and managing the inventory. Okay, so it is again for Worli location, Mumbai, and the experience required is 2 to 4 years, and which is the industry which we require from marine and port will do, and any bachelor degree in marine engineering or mechanical engineering degree will do. So people can apply, or candidates can apply on the given email ID or on the mobile number which is mentioned below. Okay, so viewers, if anyone wants to apply, and that they can directly also come up to our office in Seagull, which is in Andheri. So again, this is one of the India's leading companies looking after for marine equipment manager, oversees and manage the safe and the effective operations, like overseeing the maintenance or the repairs, ensure all the operation works. So experience in this for marine equipment we require is 5 years, and type of sector is marine port again. So the qualification which is very essential is bachelor's degree or any relevant certification will do. Okay, so the candidate who are interested may apply to the given email ID or on the mentioned mobile number. Okay, so again, this is for the leading electrical company. Like we are looking after for a project manager who can understand the layout and BOQs, like the bills and the tender documentation provided by the architect, consultants, or PMC, the persons who are in PMC projects. So preparing tender document, bill of quantity, and rate of analysis, like any, this is for Goregaon West location and Mumbai. The experience required is 0 to 7 years, like any person can apply, and type of sector is construction, real estate, engineering, commercial. Qualification required is diploma, degree, BTech, or any person can apply on the given email ID or on the mentioned mobile number. Okay, so here one of the leading port and container company is looking after for STS operator. STS operators, many STS operators are required. CRMG operator चाहिए, vessel planner चाहिए, yard planners चाहिए, tower controller, deck checker, electrical engineer, electrical technician, mechanical technician, welder, fabricator, substation operator, electrician, civil HOS, and helper. So these are very urgent requirements. इंटरव्यूज नेक्स्ट वीक हैं, तो एनी पर्सन हु वांट्स टू स्टिल अप्लाई, जिनको भी अभी अप्लाई करना है और जो ओवरसीज के कैंडिडेट इंडिया में सेटल होना चाहते हैं, दे कैन अप्लाई डायरेक्टली. So the minimum experience required is 5 years, and the type of sector is port, container terminal. So qualification required is graduate diploma, ITI is compulsory. Okay, ये होगा विनिंगजम पोर्ट केरला के लिए. The candidates may apply on the given email ID mentioned or on the mobile number which is mentioned below. Okay, so this slide is for our company, Seagull International. We are expanding the team. We are looking out for HR executive, like who can manage the entire cycle recruitment cycle process, includes like sourcing, screening, and interviewing. Like he or she can conduct the interviews and assessment to evaluate the candidate, like maintain the HR database and the employee confidentially, like and all they can conduct the meetings as well. So this is for the Mumbai Worli location, Mumbai. Okay, so any BMS or MBA candidate may apply. So anyone who wants to apply can apply on the given email ID or on the mobile number which is mentioned. Okay. Okay, so this is for Seagull International for overseas recruitment. Like This is for Mumbai location. This is for Seagull International. We are looking out for HR who are 1 to 5 years experience in sourcing civil and in major job portals, working experience in major job portals like anything, and proficiency in verbal and written English. Okay, so anyone who wants to apply can apply on the given email ID or directly can come down for the interview as well. Okay, guys, so these were my set of requirements for the domestic region. So the interviews are in process. So if anyone wants to apply, like any candidate want to apply, they can directly call the mentioned mobile number, or they can apply through the email ID. So or directly can come to the office. So Ms. Jyoti, over to you.
Thank you so much, Nishant.
Thank you.
So a big thank you to Lalit Moria, Mr. Nishant Dadyal, for taking a time to join us today and helping us conducting this live session smoothly. For those of you who would like to visit us in person, our Mumbai headquarter address is now on the screen, along with the contact details for all our branches. So this is our Mumbai head office. Our branch's address is also on the screen: Baroda, Delhi. Addresses along with the contact details for your easy reference. Vizag, Kolkata. Kochi, Chennai. The addresses and the contact details along with email address is also mentioned. Also, don't miss out on joining our exclusive WhatsApp community. Scan the QR code on your screen to become a part of it. Please note, space is limited, so grab the phone and scan quickly. We will hold the screen for a few seconds for you to join. So this is our website. If you want to apply through website, you can just apply on the button located at the top left corner where you can upload your profiles based on the requirement. So this is our digital presence: Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagrams with the ID, Twitter, YouTube. So I would also want to add, at Seagull, we take a pride in having 80 to 90% of the candidate approach us directly without any middleman. So stay connected on our social media pages and engage with us directly. Remember, we hold this live session every Friday at 3 p.m. We also have sessions in regional languages, so stay tuned for more updates. Thank you once again and see you all next week. Thank you.